Hello, my name is Andy and I am the Village Idiot. I'm armed with a car and a GoPro and an unhealthy amount of time on my hands. I'm using that time to attempt to visit every civil parish in England. Yes, I really am that mental to try and visit all of them. It's no easy task. There's a massive 10,449 of them. Welcome to the channel. The idea of this trailer is to tell you a little bit about this crazy mission. Put simply, I grew up in the countryside. I've lived a lot of my life in and around villages. For the past few years, I've lived in a town and basically, I missed village life. I thought this was a way to reconnect with rural life whilst at the same time showing off the beauty of the English countryside. So what constitutes a parish visit, you ask? Simple. All I have to do is set foot inside the parish boundaries. But if I did that for them all, that would be boring. So as such, I walk around the place, find out what it's about, see the landmarks and historical features, and in some cases, meet the local people. As a nation, our towns are getting bigger and our villages are being gradually absorbed into town boundaries, and they're losing their unique place on the map. Some look and feel more like suburbs. So this is a visual celebration of villages, their uniqueness and their character, and I'm documenting these places for posterity, capturing them as they are now for future generations to enjoy. I release one video a day and these come out at 2:30 PM UK time. There's also a weekly dose of channel related news, which I call the Parish Notice Board, which you can find at 9:30 every Sunday morning. TVI is inching closer to being a full-time career, but it's still not there yet. With a bit of help though, it could be. There are a number of ways you can support me and my endeavours. The easiest way is to subscribe to the channel, bash the like buttons, or share the episodes with your friends. I'm all about helping local people too. Adverts for local businesses can be added to my videos, so if you've got one and you'd like to use me to help yourself grow, I'm all ears. Above all guys, enjoy my adventures. Not every place is the same, and sometimes they can be really, really unique. That's the quirkiness of the English countryside. I've been Andy, also known as the Village Idiot, and I'm out.